Open up library, click Dota 2, right click it, click properties. You have seen the install file is there. Click it and click verify the game file and wait for some times. Once it's completed, after it will throw on the successfully validate. It's nothing but it's verifying your game files and folders. It's completed, successfully validated. Then move on with next step. Click general and you have seen the launch option is there. Here you need to type the following text DX11 and click OK. After that, the next step, come to settings, click app settings, click installed app, scroll down and you need to check for Microsoft Visual C++. If you have older version, means you can update by using the official website of Microsoft, and you can download and install it, the latest version. After that, you need to modify and click repair. Once complete, after, come back, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphics settings. In graphics settings, you have Dota 2 and make sure it should be in GPU performance, depends on you. It's high performance or power saving, it depends on you. You can choose, depends on your drive and performance. And after optimization of Windows games is there, it should be in turn on mode. And some of them have, it's not available, the Dota 2 itself. So in that case, you can add a desktop app and go to C drive, go to Steam, and you can browse it and add it. So this is the easiest way. Click it and add it. So this is how to add. So after adding, correctly set the settings and after that restart your PC. Thank you.